Electric high pressure washer 2200W, 150 bar, 2600 PSI, 10 meters hose, 4 nozzles plus foam cannon. Tackle dirt, grime, and stains like a pro with the electric high pressure washer 2200W, a powerful and durable cleaning solution for cars, gardens, patios, walls, windows, and more. Delivering up to 2600 psi, 150 bar, of intense water pressure and a 2.4 GPM, gallons per minute, flow rate, this washer is engineered to blast away even the most stubborn dirt efficiently and effortlessly. High voltage powerful performance. Motor, 2200W high efficiency motor. Max pressure, 150 bar, 2600 psi. Flow rate, 2.4 GPM. Removes grease, mud, mold, moss, and grime in seconds. Ideal for car washing, patios, sidewalks, driveways, fences, garden tools, and more. Soap foam cannon plus 4 quick connect nozzles. Includes a 500 ml external foam cannon for deep cleaning with detergents. 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, for concentrated high pressure blasting, 15 degrees, heavy duty cleaning, 25 degrees, general purpose use, 40 degrees, gentle rinsing and wide coverage. External foam cannon keeps detergent out of internal components, increasing machine lifespan. Lock safety first. Built-in GFCI protection. Ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, plug ensures safety in wet conditions. Prevents electric shock during outdoor cleaning. Built to operate safely and reliably even in damp or rainy environments. Luggage ergonomic and portable design. Detachable handle plus large transport wheels for smooth maneuverability. Easy to roll across gravel, lawns, or uneven paths. Compact structure makes storage quick and convenient. Droplet multiple water source options. Compatible with standard taps, buckets, and self-priming from pools or tanks. Quick connect hose fittings make setup simple. Perfect for users with limited access to outdoor taps. Package efficient storage system. Comes with built-in storage for spray gun, power cable, foam cannon, 4 nozzles. Keeps everything organized and easily accessible between uses. Triangle ruler technical specifications. Motor power, 2200W. Max pressure, 150 bars, 2600 psi. Flow rate, 2.4 GPM. Hose length, 10 meters. Power cord length, 1.5 meters. Nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees. Foam tank, 500 milliliters. Water inlet methods. Faucet, bucket, pool, self-priming, plug type. GFCI safety plug. Mobility. Large wheels plus ergonomic handle bullseye perfect for oncoming car, bike and motorcycle cleaning. Home patio and deck maintenance. Soap, fence and wall washing. Herb garden tools and furniture. Window and facade rinsing. Door, garage, driveway, and roof cleaning.